Have you ever wondered, can we really grow a pineapple at home from just its crown? Well, I tried it, and what started as a simple experiment turned into one of the most satisfying gardening experiences of my life. Today, I am sharing my journey from cutting the crown to harvesting my very first homegrown pineapple after more than a year. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my garden. If you love growing your own food, experimenting with plants, and learning something new every day, this story is for you. This is not just about growing a pineapple, it's about patience, belief, and the joy of nurturing life from something we usually throw away. It all started with a simple pineapple I bought home from the market. Instead of throwing away the crown, I thought, why not try growing it? So I carefully twisted off the crown from the fruit. Then I removed a few lower leaves to expose the stem. This small step is very important because this is where the roots begin to grow. I let the crown dry for a couple of days. Yes, patience begins right here. Drying helps prevent rotting and prepares the ground for planting. After that, I planted it in a draining soil mix, placed it in a sunny spot, and watered it lightly. And then the waiting game began. The first few weeks were the hardest. There were no visible growth, no new leaves, nothing exciting. At times, I even doubted, is this working? Will it survive? But gardening teaches you something very important. Not everything grows instantly. Slowly, after a few weeks, I noticed new leaves emerging from the center. That moment was magical. It was a sign that roots had formed and the plant had started growing. Months passed. I continued watering, giving it sunlight, and simply observing nature doing its work. No shortcuts, no rush, just consistency. As the plant grew bigger, it became stronger and more beautiful. The long, spiky leaves give it a tropical look, almost like a decorative plant. Caring for it was simple: plenty of sunlight, well drained soil, moderate watering, and most importantly, patience. Because pineapple is not just fast growing plant, it takes time, dedication, and trust in the process. After many months, almost close to a year, something incredible happened. One day I noticed a small structure emerging from the center, and slowly it started developing into a pineapple. I cannot explain that feeling. It was pure joy, excitement, and disbelief all at once. From a simple crown to an actual fruit, nature had completed its miracle. After more than 12 months, the day finally arrived. The pineapple was fully grown, golden, and ready to harvest. But before I harvested it, I made sure to wear gloves because those sharp, spiky leaves can actually be quite painful and can cause small cuts on your hands. So always remember safety first while gardening. Then I carefully cut the fruit, holding it in my hands, and trust me, that moment felt priceless. It wasn't just a fruit, it was a result of patience, care, and dedication. The taste, even sweeter because it was homegrown. Friends, you know what made this moment even more special? When I finally cut and served this pineapple at home, every family member tasted it with a big smile. They appreciated it, praised my effort, and even showered their blessings. That feeling is something I cannot fully express in words. As a gardener, you don't just grow plants, you grow emotions, patience, and happiness. I am sure every gardener watching this will relate to this. The joy of nurturing a plant day by day and then finally receiving your reward in the form of a fruit or vegetable. It's not just about the harvest, it's an intimate satisfaction, a deep connection with nature, and honestly, one of the best rewards life can give. That moment truly motivated me to grow more, not just pineapples, but many more plants in the future. This entire journey taught me one beautiful lesson. Good things truly take time, but they are always worth the wait. Growing this pineapple didn't just give me a fruit, it gave me happiness, patience, and a sense of achievement that no store bought fruit can ever match. And that's why I want to encourage each one of you: start small, grow at least one fruit plant in your terrace garden or backyard. It doesn't matter if it's pineapple, lemon, or anything else. Just begin, because the real joy is not just in growing, it's in sharing that happiness with your family. When your loved ones taste something you have grown with your own hands, the smile, the appreciation, the blessings you receive, that becomes the biggest reward. If you nurture a plant with patience, it will reward you with joy beyond expectations. So, start your journey today and experience this beautiful feeling for yourself. Dear friends, if you enjoyed being part of this journey, it would mean a lot to me if you support this video with a like and share it with your friends and family. I truly hope and strongly believe, just the way my family appreciated me and motivated me throughout this journey, this video of mine will inspire and motivate you all to take the first step, because sometimes all it takes is one small beginning and it can grow into something truly beautiful. So don't wait, pick a plant, start today and create your own story. And when you do, don't forget to come back and share your experience with me in the comments. I would love to hear your journey. Also, if you want to see more such real gardening experiences, tips, and experiments, make sure to subscribe to my channel HalfTuber81 and be part of this growing green family.